My brother makes the noises for the talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. If you've forgotten what a parrot squawk is, or he can make a parrot squawk for you. He does the steam escaping from miners leaving dock. He'll fake a razor scraping or a cuckoo clock. My brother makes the noises for the talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. Now this is what I hear when I'm in bed. A bang, a rattle like thunder overhead. A cat's meow, a dog bow wow. The only sleep I'll get is when I'm dead. A gun goes crack, a gale starts blowing, a duck goes quack, a cock starts crowing. You may think I'm kidding you, yet what I say is true. Just listen, I'll explain to you. My brother makes the noises for the talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. I really can't remember what a stalk is, but if it makes a noise then pig can too. He makes the noise they make when cowboys make a so whoop. He makes the noise beards make when used for straining soup. My brother makes the noises for the talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. My brother can make any noise you wish, like two sea lions shouting out for fish. A horse's neigh, a donkey's bray. He even makes the noise when you drop a dish. Oh damn, the only time he made a bungle was when a tiger in the jungle with a mighty roar dropped dead, with bullets in its head, and Pete mooed like a cow instead. Moo! My brother makes the noises for the talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. If you've forgotten what a popping cork is, I'll peep and pop a pretty cork for you. He makes the horses neigh, he makes the donkeys bray, he makes the chickens lay all night as well as day. My brother makes the noises for the talkies. There's not a single noise that he can't do. There's not a single noise that he can't do. There's not a single noise that he can't do. Woo! Thank you.